Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about 3 ways to make money online with Bitcoin instantly. If you're still struggling to make money online or you are just a beginner at making money, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. Quick advice. Make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. So in the past 10 years, cryptocurrency has become more popular around the world, with Bitcoin being the most popular one. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography to keep it safe. Note in the network use cryptograph to verify transactions, which are then added to a public shared ledger called a blockchain. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency and it was made in 2009. And since then, many other forms of digital currencies have been made. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized, which means that neither the government nor a bank can control them. Because cryptocurrency is not controlled by anyone or group, it has become a popular choice for people who want to make money in other ways. So here are 3 ways to get money right away with Bitcoin. 1. Bitcoin mining. Bitcoin mining is a process of making sure that transaction records are correct and adding them to the public ledger, which is blockchain. Bitcoin miners are given Bitcoin as a reward for their work. Mining takes a lot of time and resources, so people often work together and share their rewards. 2. Bitcoin faucets. Bitcoin faucets are websites or apps that give out small amounts of Bitcoin in exchange for doing tasks. Some of these tasks are to look at ads, take surveys, or play games. Faucets are a great way to get started in the world of Bitcoin without having to spend any money. 3. Paid tasks in Bitcoin. There are a number of websites and apps that let you do tasks for Bitcoin in exchange. Some of these tasks include watching videos, filling out surveys, and testing products. Paid tasks are a great way to make Bitcoin without investing a lot of money. And these are just 3 ways to make money right away with Bitcoin. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video. You must take action to get results. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen as well. See you in my next video.